This is my winter arc, a season to grow, grind, and glow. From long study to hard gym sessions, with food, peaceful moments. So then let's begin.
Hour later.
Demon Lord. Yeah, what do you want? I'm starving, dude. Yeah, you came to the right person. I'm a chef in my world. Can you make me a perfect circle egg? Wait, you want a egg? Egg? Yeah, like a circle, like a circle. Round, round. Have you ever tasted the professional cook? Watch me cook.
Eh, 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 eh.
Whatever, dude. Okay, that's the end of the video. This was my winter arc. What are you guys waiting for? Oh, the next video. The next video is going to be about